What it do, you guys? It's your boy George, that 370Z though, and I'm just about to show you guys real quick some of my merch, and I am about to be heading out to California. So let's go. Here goes. This is one of the shirts, black and white. Here goes the one in red and white. The back of it. Alright, we're back to normal. Yeah, I'll see you guys in LA.
I feel like it's right.
What's up, motherfuckers?
It was a left.
It's your boy, Zik370.
Yeah, I told you it was a left, but you told me to make it fucking right.
I just fucked up my intro, man. I'm sorry, we gotta redo this.
It was a left.
Shit, you hear this?
Go straight, go straight, go straight, go straight.
Never trust this man with a GPS.
No one even gave me a GPS. That's
Go straight, go straight, go straight.
I'm going straight, motherfucker.
He's like,
It's like, what it do, you guys? It's your boy. I had to get in and out. Yes, I had to get a 4x4 in this bitch. Hold up, hold up. No. Alright, we just got some in and out. We're about to go to the Zociety house, drop off some food. What? What'd you say? Rabbit might watch some hentai. Once we get to the hotel, we gotta drive back. And tomorrow we are gonna go to the drift event. We might go later out tonight. We don't know yet, but we'll see what we're gonna do. Aight. Alright, we just got our stuff. We just got to the hotel. It's like 3 o'clock, but like where we're from is like 5 o'clock, so we're kind of tired. We just checked in, and we lost Rabbit. We lost him at the airport also, and we lost him here at the hotel. We don't know where the hell he's at.
it's a common thing with that guy.
Yeah, it's a common thing with that guy. Bad directions and stay losing his ass. Well, we're about to go inside. Yo, it's Cali boy. Oh, y'all smell like bud over here. Hella bud. No, but we're about to go to the drift event right now. We're about to meet us with the homies. It is. We're about to go get something to eat. We're about to go get breakfast. My boy didn't want to go get breakfast at the hotel that we paid for, but it's all Gucci. And after that, we might go to the Supreme store, cause you know we like Supreme and shit. Look, he's trying to show off his little babe shorts. But we're about to go right now. It's kind of early. Well, it's late for us in Georgia time, but it is what it is. We're about to go over there, go get something to eat. All right, see you little niggas. Oh, I can't say that. Oh, look at that. I can't.
Turn around.
I see y'all homies there.
Turn around, brother.
Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are. I'm madly in love with you.
What's up, vlog? We out here in the mountains, trying to find Trevor for our next GTA mission. Slum gang.
No sleep.
Can't hang. Next time we're not bringing him to Cali. Just fucking killing the mood. Our chauffeur. Alright, we'll see you guys at the track.
If I could take you up in boom boom bosh, boom boom, tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. And I ding dong, plans would come true. And I ding dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, shaboom, and hoping we'll meet again. Oh, life. And I ding dong, lang, 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 boom, boom, oh, shaboom, boom, tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, shaboom, and hoping we'll meet again. Oh, life could be a dream, shaboom, and I ding dong, plans would come true. And I ding dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Now every time I look at you, something is on my mind. If you do what I want you to, baby, we'd be so fine. Oh, life ain't a ding dong. If I could take you up in boom boom bosh, boom boom, tell me I'm the only one that you.
Yeah, buddy. We're out here with the homies. Let me zoom this shit out. Hey, the homies. Alright, we're just out here. Our boy's about to go out. What's up, Puto? Oh, whoa. Can't show all that. Can't show that all now. We're about to get some clips real quick. You got any shout out? Any shout out to anybody?
Just a fat shout out to my mom. You're a real one. And fat shout out to JM California. Y'all gonna get my fucking SR coming back, so fat shout out to y'all.
That was committed. That tire.
Today's our last day. Where they? You sad?
You're already sad.
You sad?
No, we thought of it.
Same. How about you, Tony?
I'm just ready to go home already.
He's lying. He don't want to leave.
He's like, he's trying to put fun.
Yeah, it's our last day. We're about to go and cry.
About to come back to some rainy ass weather in Georgia, bro.
Yeah, we have bad weather in Georgia. But, alright, we'll see you guys on next vlog.
Hey, the beat go off? Hey. Hey, I up it, then my heat go off? Bang!